what is the difference between Underwood 21st and Studio 44? First, yeah, outside the design, it's like different, right? Look at the key. It looks like this one, it's like a flat, but it's not flat. Little bit, you can feel the little bit, what is it called? It's a bent or a curve inside. But this one, much curved. So feel better because it looks like a fitting in the top of the key. So when I try hit like a regular typing, sometimes I can feel like a slip. So touch the other one or like this, but this one little bit better for that kind of thing. Outside design, more looks like a more study, but I think weight is almost same. And then the around this part, the carriage part, exactly same. I already looked at the inside. It's exactly same. Also this one, exactly same. But a little bit different is the, see, this end of the part is a very fit together, right? Also this part is a very close, but this one a little bit comes out this part, right? Same thing, this part is the same thing. If I move a little bit here, that means the same thing. So more detail to look at the difference, we can see the bottom of the frame, then we can see the difference. See, this is a lot of space here, right? A little bit more comes, see, but this one no space, right? Compared to this, it's very fit. There's no space, right? But this one is much bigger. Much bottom also same thing. In the bottom, there is no space, right? But here, a little bit bigger space. So that's why on the 21 or 21st, maybe 21, right? This one little bit, see, from start, the same position start, but little bit longer here. Also same thing, the wide, little bit this one is wider than this one. Okay, so exactly same for example for the car, same engine but little bit different the outside. That's the same situation with this. The same inside is the same part. They use the exactly the same part, but outside the design and then key and then the cover, that's the little different. Okay. It's the same as this one exactly, but different is this one we can open just from here, but this one from here we can open. So that's different. Exactly same part, same ribbon spool, right? Also, maybe I don't know, the feeling of the touch. This one is more lighter, a little bit. This one is heavier, but I don't know. It's just for this typewriter or the same situation with the same old Studio 44 looks like this, or old 21 looks like this. Underwood, I don't know, but just compare these two. This one is more lighter, and then very clean the printing. This one is more heavier, little bit, but as you see here, this one, this is Elite, this is Picker. So 10 character per inch. This one is 12 character per inch. Okay. Then except that, I think inside and then this part, carriage, exactly same, just painting is different. Inside this part and the carriage, exactly same. Even though I switch this knob, but it works both sides. So yeah, let's see the typing. Okay, as usual, I want to use the one hand. Yeah, yeah, very clear, looks good, right? Yeah. And then let's look at the other one. Okay, there is one more thing different. This one, from here to here, space is more wider, so easy to install the ribbon. But this one is very close here to here, so a little bit harder than this one to install the ribbon. That's another difference. Okay, I start this one. This one is Olivetti, the 12 character per inch, the top one from the Studio 44. That's the 10 character per inch. So under the 21, or I don't know, 21st, how can I pronounce? I don't know, 21. Anyway, it was manufactured in 66 or 65. So a little bit newer one. This one, I think 1961. It was manufactured in 1961. So 4 or 5 were different. So That's why little bit looks better for the printing quality, right? But yeah, almost same. Same font difference is just size. Overall, I guess is almost the same. Just different is the outside the body design and the cap, keycap. This one is a little bit more the bent inside, so I think it's better a little bit. But this one is looks like a flat, but it's not flat. Also, it was bent, but just a little. So sometimes it's like a slippery. Okay, that's the I think main difference. Except that the feeling, touchy, almost same. All right. Thank you for watching.